Well, I brought in some produce and eggs from the garden, eggs from the hen house, and I got some tomato juice or stuff from tomatoes, and all of a sudden these ants started coming from everywhere. I live in an old farmhouse and always have trouble with ants, so I took out my favorite ant bait, Terro, and obviously I wasn't paying attention because you can see it spilled, and I was going to come back and clean it up, but looky, these guys are cleaning it up for me. I don't know if you can see how close we can get. Oh, they're loving this stuff. This will be gone by this afternoon. Thanks, guys. Oh, well, or last time I see y'all, but hey, we're talking about getting rid of ants and how to get rid of ants, and the Terro bait review. Let me turn around here. I'd move it, but I don't want to disturb them eating this, because as you can see, they loving this stuff. And this is what I use, and I buy it at Walmart. I think it comes 4 of these little things to a package, and it's like $3 or something. Then it's great. Over the years, I have tried everything, all the home remedies. Oh, you use cinnamon, you use borax, you use this, you use that, and a lot of different commercial ant baits and stuff get rid of ants. This stuff right here is what I found will get rid of them 100% of the time, and they won't come back. Now, here's a thing that a lot of people do not understand about ants. Oh, check it out. What are they doing right there? Let's get on down there. Trying to move that piece of grass or something. Anyway, squirrel. Here's the thing people don't understand about ants. This is a colony. All these are brothers and sisters, or they're family. Okay, cousins, nephews, whatever, aunts, uncles. People put these out one spot. They see ants, and they expected to kill every ant in a house. And it doesn't work that way. Here's why. Think of your house as a continent, and each of these colonies is a little city in that continent. So you have to treat every colony in the house. This colony is different from the ones right back over here by my sink. It's only 10 feet away, but it's a different colony. And so I have to handle these with bait, the ones over by the sink with bait, and if I see any other ants in the house, I'll have to put different bait. So I buy several packages of these at a time. Great stuff. When I see an ant, appear, I throw it out, and it always goes like this. I don't know what's in this stuff, but they love it, and in a couple days they'll be all gone. Like I said, an old farmhouse, I'm going to have ants. So anyway, look, you can play around with the old wives' tale, urban myth recipes. My grandpa used cinnamon and sulfur or something. You can play around with stuff like that. I don't like bugs all that well, especially ants in my kitchen. I get rid of them once and for all. So anyway, there you go. Just know that, I've had people say, well, I put this out and it didn't work for a while, then they came back. These will not come back. There may be a different colony find your house and come in where these were, but this colony's living on borrowed time right now, because this stuff here that they're eating up is going to take care of them. And so as you can see, they're loving this stuff. They're saying, man, this is some good stuff right here. And I'd move this, but I don't want, like I said earlier, I don't want to disturb them. And I've followed these ants, trying to find where they're coming in. Look, if an ant wants in your house, he's going to get in your house. Your house is not that sealed up where an ant can't get in. I mean, if mice can get in, hell, ants can too. So just, if you get tired of this is how you're going to get rid of ants in your house. Okay? Stop messing with them. Get serious. Now, I'll clean, they'll clean this up, and I'll come and wipe the residue that's left up. Typically though, that doesn't spill out unless you're just not paying attention like I was. You put this out, you has a little tab right here. I don't have no new ones, this was my last one I'll show you. Anyway, you break that tab off. Some of the older ones on the bottom you had to snip the red part off, and ants typically go inside there, get the bait, come back out, take it to their colony. Everybody eats, they're having a big old party, and next day they wake up dead. Or I don't know how long it takes, but usually, like I say, this here, they will be gone. If not tomorrow, then the next day. And I will not have to worry about these. But this stuff here is great. If it was twice as much, I would still buy it. Because I know that all these little ants right here think they're doing a great job taking all this back to their colony. They're going to be gone. They will going to be gone. And I'll protect my beautiful little brown eggs that my little hens lay. Well, they don't bother eggs anyway, but you know, if they did, I'd still protect them. So anyway, that's what you're going to want to do if you're serious about getting rid of ants in your house. This stuff works. I don't get nothing from them for giving that review. Let's see if you can see. Let's see if it's going to pick it up. I recommend it because it works, and it's worked for a long time for me. As you can see, they are all over this stuff. Now, like I said, I wouldn't recommend pouring it out like that, and I just wasn't paying attention when I pulled the tab off, or I would have laid it probably where it was flat. This is on top of my dryer. Yes, my dryer is in my kitchen because I have a small farmhouse. So, there you go, folks. If you want to get rid of ants in your house and you're serious about it, stop playing around. Every time you see a colony, have some of these on stock. Twist the little tab off up front, or if you got the old saw, you'll snip on the bottom where the red line is, and you'll put this out. So, there you go. That's all there is to it. And we'll catch you on down the road, and next time, I don't know. I know it's been a while. I've been busy. Just hadn't had time to put up a video. But now, just remember, like and subscribe down here. Also, that little bell looking thing, click that, and you'll get a notification every time I upload a video. I've got a bunch of, I got quite a few videos, you know, taken of different DIY projects, but they're in pieces and I hadn't edited them yet, and I just hadn't had time to edit them. Look, as we've just been standing here, how many's just keep coming? Woo! Everybody's lined up at the buffet bar. Yes, sir. They eating that stuff like it's good. So anyway, hey, Donald, DIY. Blue collar DIY, that is. We're out.